QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 116.28 and the 96.24 USDT mark. And at the time of this recording, we are now attempting a break above a horizontal line of resistance above the 125.8 USDT mark. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and also give you my upside target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 22nd of June, I believe that we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high above the 136.3 USDT mark. And having picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of a second wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And also doing the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that is between the 116.59 and the 96.45 USDT mark, which is that yellow target area. And you can see that we have seen a reaction on the upper side of that target area, and that is a clear indication that we could be getting the first sign that alloy is in place in the formation of that second wave after getting a shallow pullback, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And also doing the area that you need to pay attention to is on the fib ratios 1:1 above the 164.67 mark, and the fib level 1.618 above the 195.9 USDT mark. And either of those two targets can be hit, then we can expect a pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And for us to get a confirmation that that is the move that is playing out, we need to see a break above this high we made in the formation of that first wave above the 136.3 USDT mark in the next coming hours. But if by any chance we get rejected over here and start another pullback, then I will expect that QNT is going to give us one more new low in the formation of that second wave, and these over here will only turn out to be an ABC corrective structure, expecting one more new low in the formation of that wave C to the lower side to fully maximize that yellow target area, and then start a reaction to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then expect the wave 4, and then finally top out in that 5 wave structure. Also remember that this edge wave structure right here in yellow is part of a larger wave 3 to the upper side, and this larger wave 3 is part of an edge wave structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we picked in a 5 wave structure, completing the formation of that first wave. So a pullback in the formation of a second wave into the minimum target areas down here, an area that is now giving us a reaction to the upside in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And also doing the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 194.3 USDT mark. So that is the roadmap that I expect QNT to follow on the short term and also on the long term. The area above the 125.7 and the 136.3 USDT mark are the next key areas that we need to see a break above to confirm that bullish movement to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So that is all for this video, and I believe I will catch you on the next one.